what dance group is this?
They are doing Isomantis by IIT.
Okay.
It's K-pop dance.
Okay.
They are member of the DGC dance an association you can find in London.
Okay. So what kind of music do they do? Are they like a dance group or something?
It's K-pop, so they are like they are dance group.
Okay. Let's see what they have. So they're just like rehearsing.
Yes, they are filming, but it's fun. The dance.
Okay. They have a YouTube page or Instagram page?
Yeah, DGC dance.
You have you can just say it and I will probably
Oh yeah,
look it up.
you can find DGC dance on YouTube and Instagram.
But then I like your style and your
Thank you.
glasses. It looks pretty cool. very cool street, as you can see. But just like how the buildings look. And still we're on a mission. Ni huzuru tu.
Strawberry on my lips and your fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah. Rose color on my cheeks, yeah. I feel so on fleek. Forget who we are. Let's dance until dawn. Music on repeat. You can beat this feeling. Let's keep this going on and on. Crack open models on and on and on and on and caught up in the moment. Feels just like I'm dreaming.
So this is a very cool. Currently, the
Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine on the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine on the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Filled up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Coffee stains on the table. Lazy kisses, we're unable to escape this cozy.
So let's go. Finally we get to walk through the bridge.
Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Lazy weekend, it's a lazy weekend, just you and me. In this lazy weekend, we're wild. In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we can. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears
It's actually raining. And this is my next hotel, St. London.
my friend.
So this is Peterfield market. It's like a local market with food stalls and a lot of, you can say, vendors, like they have stalls and stuff like that. It's pretty early in the morning. I think it's around 9 a.m. Most of them are just opening up. So we'll get back here once it's all open.
In the silence of